everyone. I'm gonna show you how to configure your own networks here. Let's go to Foursquare. So the first thing you have to do is go and find a listing in Foursquare. I'm gonna try to find pizzas like in New York, very easy, like all the examples. This is a result since we see the stars here. And as you can see, let me see if the pattern repeats in all the listings. I'm going to try to find another listing since I am watching here that it has a -B. So Denny also has this one /B. Let's go to New York style pizza. It also has a /B. So okay, now let's go to Google and just for testing, foursquare.com-b plus marketing agency. All right, and yes, we have photos. Right now I'm getting results like from Spain since I have my IP here. Well, now that we know that it's /B, let's copy, go back here, add custom domain, add your domain as a pattern to find businesses. Now let's go and grab the title. I'm gonna go back, or maybe this one, I'm not sure. I want to grab Pizza Hut. Okay, so Pizza Hut, I want the title. So the first thing you have to do here is, well, the second thing, it's grabbing the title. How do you do it? We need the XPath, and for that you have to inspect the elements. Sorry that it is in Spanish right now. But in Chrome, you have the you click the secondary click and get inspect element. Once you inspect the element, you will find this little icon here that you can also click the Ctrl+Shift+C and then point it wherever you want to graph the title. In this case, we have the venue name, the item prop name, like here. This is the XPath. For getting the XPath, you just click a secondary click here and then copy the XPath, and that's it. You have the XPath. This XPath is not very reliable because maybe Foursquare is gonna change the HTML tomorrow or whenever. It's gonna break very easy. But you can graph examples, like we have here examples in the config file. We have many other XPaths. What you can do here is just copy the examples and go back again and add custom domain and foursquare.com-b. Let's paste it on title. You can always grab the XPath that it shows in the browser. It's gonna work, but I want to make it very reliable. Venue name. For venue name, we copy venue name. Let's go back. So it's a class. It's not an ID. We have a class here. It's a class venue name. So let's paste here venue name. We have the title now. What else do we want? We want the reviews, the phone number. What else do you want? Let's get the website. We click again here and mark the HTML, venue row content. And we have here class URL, okay? It's very simple in this one. In other directories might be a little bit more difficult or very difficult, and you just copy the XPath like I show you, right click here and copy, and XPath, copy XPath. So this is the website. Let's go back to where is the website? Find the website, and then it's class URL. That's it. Now what else? We want to graph Facebook, the phone name, the phone number. Phone number. This is the phone number, and telephone. Item prop is class tail. Class tail. Class tail. What else? Specialties, the address. We want the location. I'm gonna find the location. Here's the location. This is all the location. So how is it named? It's class address. Okay, I want to graph. You can also get the item prop, street address, item prop address, locality, and postal code. So if you want more, let's go and find postal address, item prop address, street address. Let's do it. I copy here the address. I'm gonna do it all the address here. ADR location, and for location I'm gonna put the address locality. So I put contains item prop address locality item prop. So I instead of class I need to change this one as item prop instead of prop, and that's it. Let's do it this way. We can get more, but let's save it this way. And now that it's saved, we have it available here. And just let's go and find some pizzas in Chicago and extract. We're gonna see what's going on the logs. Extracting companies with login and password. Oh wait, yes, it's grabbing. We're getting the URLs, Chicago's Pizza, Giordano, Chicago's, etc. And then it's gonna open the browser, and hopefully it's gonna grab the title. Well, not hopefully, because we added the correct. So we have 50 URLs to scrape. Since I have my IP here in Mexico, it's gonna grab the information from Mexican companies. If you want to grab from Australia, use an IP from Australia. If you want to grab from Canada, United States, you have to have the IP in there to get proper results that you want. So it's scraping Chicago. If you go back to the data extractor, we will find it's waiting, it's giving some weights, and let's give some time. It already navigated to another website here. We're not getting categories, we're not getting reviews, phone, email, no website. Chicago beer. As you can see, Pisano pizza, and it has, now we're getting more results. Nancy Chicago pizza, Pisano pizza, no email because we didn't add an email field, and voila, you have the results that you coded yourself. You add your own custom network and you started to scrape them, and as you can see, it's navigating between each of the results that we get, and you can always see the logs, what is going on, and that's it. Remember, this is multi-threaded. You can go back to leads and keep extracting stuff. You can keep getting more information. For email, we need to locate the email field. We didn't search for it. I guess Foursquare doesn't offer the email here. I'm not sure. Let's see, maybe some businesses have email, and you need to make your own research depending on the network that you want to grab information. That's gonna be your deal. But as you can see here, it keeps grabbing all the results. Giordano's, let's see, Chicago's Pizzeria. It's gonna appear below Giordano's when it stops, and you can see which one is scraping Chicago's Pizza. Let's go back and there we go. We have Chicago's Pizza. And this is the end for the tutorial, so you can add your own custom networks and get information. And remember, you can always use the API, and we have the API for Foursquare, but it's very limited. And if you want more results, you have to pay 599 USD. Well, hope you give a good use to this tool, and see you later.